This is how to buy Bitcoin on Bybit. For you to buy Bitcoin on Bybit exchange, you can use either your Bybit app or Bybit exchange website. You can see this is my Bybit app. The first thing you need to do is to add money to your Bybit exchange account, and you can do that in different ways. The first one is using P2P trading. That is, this method will help you to move your money from your bank account in any country. That is, be able to convert your local currency fund to USDT on Bybit exchange. You can now use it to buy Bitcoin or any other crypto you want. To learn how to do this step by step, I did a real demo video that will walk you through. Watch this video. The link of the video will come out now. You will learn how to move money from your bank account, from your local currency to Bybit exchange. Another method you can use is to use this deposit. If you tap it, deposit, you can see different payment method. That is to deposit funds to your Bybit exchange account. You can deposit crypto from any exchange like BitGet, like Gate, like Binance to your Bybit exchange account. I've explained P2P trading. You can buy crypto using your debit card. Then you can receive money from another Bybit user. You use this menu. So you know how to move money to your Bybit exchange. Let me enable that. So money is now on your Bybit exchange. For you to know where your money is, you tap this asset. You can see I have $3 plus here on my USDT. I will demonstrate and buy Bitcoin with this USDT. That is, I will convert this USDT to Bitcoin. To do that, you come to this place. You tap convert. It will take you to this place. You can see it has highlighted convert. So by default, this is what it will show you. Don't forget, we want to convert the money we have on USDT to Bitcoin. You tap this arrow. Look at it. It has repositioned it. Suppose you are not seeing Bitcoin here. You tap inside here. You tap inside. You can now search for Bitcoin here. You search up here, BTC. You'll be able to select Bitcoin or any crypto you want to convert to. We select it. We are converting from USDT to Bitcoin. That is BTC. I will type in the amount of USDT I want to convert to Bitcoin. You tap inside. I will select $3. The amount of USDT in dollar that I want to convert to Bitcoin is $3. And you can see this is the Bitcoin I will get. This is the current rate as at the time of this video. For me to continue and process it, I will tap quote. This is what I'm going to get. 3 USDT, which is equivalent to dollar, will give me this Bitcoin. And this is the current rate as at the time of this video. Look at the fee. They are not collecting any money. It is free. I will tap confirm. It is processing. Look at it. $3 has been converted to this amount of Bitcoin. And for you to see the Bitcoin you have, you tap view access. You can see BTC. So for you to have the breakdown of your asset, total asset, you tap asset here. Look at it. I now have Bitcoin and my USDT has been reduced to this. So this is how you buy Bitcoin on Bybit exchange using your Bybit exchange app. Don't forget to use the link below the description of this video to sign up. And when you do that, Bybit has sign up bonuses in deposit. Ensure you watch the next video. The next video will help you to upgrade your account to be able to have full access to Bybit features. That is, you'll be able to do your full KYC from basic level to level 2. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, drop your comment. I promise to get back to you. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye for now.